The second ticket, jerk and pita, no, nothing set up there.
Yes, those are the price for it.
For this as well?
Yeah.
The jerk pita?
So these are the price, these are the personal. Second ticket, the ones down are the...
Beautiful, that's what I'm going with, right? Awesome. And I'm deboning a chicken, that's where I'm at, right, Z? Thank you. Somewhere down the road, if I can get a light ski off you guys somewhere down the road. Thank you. Thank you. Behind you, open. Thank you. Oh, it's hot. You got that light ski down, guys? Thank you. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Z-Man, everything's down? No, I mean everything is about to be down? Thank you, sir. How long on the 6 and 10? 6 pork, 10 chicken. How long on that? We got time, right? Thank you. Yeah, no problem. I don't need the time. Thank you. On you. Just let me know when you guys have that light. Fries down, no timer on that fry. That's cool. It looks like they are. Yeah. You guys got that light ski? Thank you. Thank you.
Front door open.
One light, leave it right here. Right here, I'm gonna take it right now. Thank you. Open. Behind. Yeah, thank you, madam. Thank you. Yo, bro, is it possible that the eighth chicken feast might come out before or no? Thank you. Open door.
Unless you like structure it that way.
No.
You can structure it that way if you wish. That's you.
No, no, let's keep going. How we're going?
I made both potatoes for both the feast.
You have potatoes for all the feasts?
Yeah, and I think you have both right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Did you juice key the rice or no?
No.
No. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Open it. Sorry, guys. Say that again, madam? 16 stick half and half. 40 minutes. Let's go 45 just in case. 43 is a good number right now. Thank you. My guy, you don't have no pita so far, right?
I'm dropping too dark.
Too dark for what?
I don't know, I just started too dark.
That's not a problem. I'm looking for 6 all day, 4 first. I'll take the 2, I'll cut them. It's not a problem. Thank you. And then I'll tell you about the light after. Thank you.